So the day to trade these bikes grows ever closer, and seems like finally all this I'm to the finishing touches. So today I want to wash them, so this bike should still look good whenever I do finally go to trade it in. So I'm just going to show you washing the bike off first, and I'm going to use Awesome. That's a great degreaser. Buy a bit of just car wash, car soap, whatever. The first thing we want to do, set it to the most powerful setting. And I like to first see how the engine will clean off. Just trying to get that. It's actually knocking off very easy, which the reason I think for that is I cleaned it once and then rode it a few times, but I rode it at a track, which is very clean. All the dirt's pretty soft and it just kind of doing TTR first because I care the least on how it looks. I'd rather the RMZ look better as it's the bigger bike. And I really don't have much time these days, so it should look about like this, like it's still wet, but when it's dry, if it gives you any indication how good it looks. And you can see my new gasket on there. Hello, Willie. Willie's making sure I'm in the drying process. He is not a fan of the water. Okay, so I want to show you something. See how this looks wet? Well, that's because it is, because it got sprayed. This has the magic can on it. So this wet look, it's actually it dry. Well, dry-ish. It's trying to make a liar out of me now. So TTR is drying, and I'm actually going to spray RMZ first because this thing's just still very wet. Insta Shine. Let's see if it even works on grips. I know it's weird, but see what it looks like. It actually looks pretty good. Everything you can have shiny, you'll want when selling a bike. So I'm giving everything a nice shine today. Yeah. Let's see if I can get this with my shirt any better. Maybe my shirt did 1,000,000 times better than my rag. That's kind of embarrassing. Alright, let's see what it'll do this number plate. It don't do as much to watts. The RMZ seems to be done. Let's see if there's anything on this side. I want to shine up this sticker. It does a decent job hiding scratches and stuff, which this bike has. Yeah, you can see it filling them cracks. I'm like, look at how good this stuff looks. For real. By the way, I think this goes without saying, but maybe it don't in today's YouTube climate. Oh, look at that. But I'm obviously not sponsored by these guys, seeing as you can look at the view count on this video and just, you'll know it ain't sponsored, as nobody sponsors me. Not from me saying no. Well, yeah, it's because I say no to everybody. I'm just like, nope. I respect my content. Stuff can put life in anything. All right, this panel right here is a prime example. See what it'll do. Seriously, almost like repainting it. Just spraying it on all the wires and stuff. Hell, I'll go all out on this side. Fuck it. These things look pretty good. Okay, fuck me. So I got a little bit in the can left, but not very much. So I'm gonna take some glam shots and then we'll be out of here.